A powerful earthquake has just struck, or maybe it's a hurricane, a wildfire, a devastating flood. Within minutes, first responders are racing toward the scene. But there's an enormous problem. Entire neighborhoods may need to be searched. Roads could be blocked. Bridges might be damaged. Buildings may have collapsed. And no human team can see everything fast enough. That's where artificial intelligence quietly enters the story. If you're enjoying this discussion, subscribe to AI Vision. Every week we explore how artificial intelligence is quietly changing the world around us and the surprising places it's already at work. When a major disaster happens, information begins pouring in almost immediately. Satellite images, drone footage, aircraft surveys, traffic cameras, emergency calls, weather data. The challenge isn't collecting information. The challenge is understanding it quickly enough to help people who need it most. This is where AI is becoming an incredibly valuable tool. Instead of asking rescue teams to manually review thousands of images, AI can rapidly analyze enormous amounts of aerial and satellite data, highlighting areas that may deserve immediate attention. It can help identify damaged roads, collapsed buildings, flooded neighborhoods, blocked evacuation routes, and other important changes that might otherwise take much longer to find. That doesn't mean AI replaces emergency responders. Far from it. Firefighters, police officers, paramedics, engineers, emergency managers, and countless other professionals still make the critical decisions. AI simply helps them find important information faster. Think of it as another set of eyes, not human eyes, digital ones, working alongside the people risking their lives on the ground. As technology continues to improve, AI is also helping emergency managers organize incoming information, prioritize damage assessments, and better understand the overall situation as it unfolds. When every minute matters, finding the right information even a little faster can make a meaningful difference. Perhaps that's one of the most remarkable things about artificial intelligence. Some of its most important work happens during moments most of us hope we never experience. Quietly, behind the scenes, helping people make faster, better informed decisions when lives and communities are at stake. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing the people who respond when disaster strikes. It's helping them see the bigger picture, and in an emergency, that may be one of the most valuable tools they can have. What do you think? Were you surprised to learn AI is already playing a role in disaster response? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.